All right, so what we're looking at here is a new mid-range Android tablet. And OnePlus made a really interesting choice with it. They decided to prioritize a huge screen and incredible battery life over, raw processing power. The idea is to give you a great value device for both work and just kicking back. First up, let's talk about that display. It is huge. We're talking a 12.1-inch, 2.8K screen with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. But the real game changer here is the aspect ratio. It's this unique 7:5 read fit thing. So you get more vertical space, which is just so much better for reading or scrolling. And it's still super light, coming in at just under 600 grams. Second, the endurance, because this thing is a beast. It's got this massive 10,050 mAh battery. That'll get you like 15 hours of straight video playback. And yeah, it charges fast. But get this, it has reverse cable charging. Your tablet can literally be a power bank and charge your phone if you're in a pinch. And finally, productivity. It has this open canvas feature that lets you have up to 3 app windows open at once, and it doesn't feel cramped at all. Plus, with the Stylo Pen and seamless connectivity that even works with iPhones, they've really thought it through. So look, the processor isn't for intense gaming, but this thing really shines as that productive but chill device, perfect for students or media lovers. If you're looking for a digital notebook that just will not die on you, you gotta check this one out.